So this is just going to be a guide for connecting your mobile devices to wirelessly debug and run your application, mostly for Flutter, since I am a Flutter developer. And instead of me going through everything and you see it and copy it, I figured out that writing everything in one place would be a better idea. And the first thing that you are going to do is add this line. Make sure that this is your username and add this line to .env. So env, if you come to env, you will see edit the system and environment variables. Come here, environment variables and path, edit. I already have added it. Make sure you click new and add it if you have not added it already. Do the same for this path. Okay? Okay. Now, open Android Studio and make sure you have all the Android and Google related drivers downloaded. Additionally, enable developer options, USB debugging and Wi-Fi debugging if available. Then connect your device using a cable so that in the VS Code's device list you can see your device. And in this point, do not run, just come to the terminal and write ADB devices. If you can see your device there, that's a good sign. Now all you need to do is go to your settings and find the IP of the router that your device is currently connected at. And please know, this is the same router that should also connect to your computer, wirelessly or wired, doesn't matter. So if this matches, in that same terminal, write ADB TCP IP and followed by a port number. For me, this is 5555. And then take the device ID, so device IP. So do ADB connect device IP without this angle bracket. So just the device IP that you find here with a colon and then the 555 that you mentioned here. With that, you should be now able to run your programs wirelessly without any problem. But in the case that you would like to see how is it going to look like, you can follow this link and maybe go to our web browser and just read on, see which one best fits for you. There is a lot of different ways to download it. So download one that best fits you. And what it will do is when you open up CMD, so command prompt, and write screen copy, so SCRCPY, it will automatically display or screencast your device on the on this monitor. And to kill off this entire process, you can do ADB kill server or ADB start server. And lastly, but not least, if this thing, so this thing, meaning this thing doesn't work for you, you could also try with this one by adding this one to the ENV. Thank you.